ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। I think we saw in the last class this Karavasanayoho Visarjaniyah 3:15. That sutram we saw. Ataro Plutad Plute 61113. Hashicha 61114. I think we have seen up to that. Right? Have you seen Hashicha?
Yes, Ji, yeah, we saw.
That's the last one.
Yes, Ji, yeah.
Yes, Ji, yes.
The next one. Etat tadoho sulopaha akoho ananj samase adi. Long sutra, but we take only what we require. Etat tadoho sulopaha, that is enough. Halipare. Etat tadoho, referring to etat shabda, tat shabda. Sulopaha bhavati. Sulopaha bhavati with hal follows. So, etat tadoho shashti vibhakti, that is the, sorry, etat tadoho, it is the panchami. Su is a pratyaya which follows. So, etat shabda, tat shabda. So, yeshaha, saha, followed by su. That etad plus su, that is yeshaha, followed by hal. Similarly, tad plus su, followed by hal. Okay, that for yeshaha, saha. That yeshaha, saha, that visarga is because of this sakara, su. Su goes away, therefore visarga will not be there when it is followed by hal. Therefore, yeshaha gayati will become yesha gayati. That su with that visarga becomes lopaha. That is what the sutra says. That we have seen in the Sandhi chart. You will see etat tadoho. That su lopaha bhavati. Now this taking this example, saha gayati. Visarga is there. that su is there. So in the place of su only the visarga has come. Su is, that is sakara, replaced by ru. Ru preceded by akara, followed by hal. What will you apply generally? You have to apply ashicha, right? Ashicha to be applied. Because ashicha says ataha roho ashicha. That is roho, that is ru, preceded by akara, followed by hash. And here, yeshaha saha, followed by hal. Saha gayati, if you take that saha, that saha, that visarga, in the place of visarga, ru was there. Ru preceded by akara, followed by hal. Hal is the consonant. Hal is the consonant. Ashicha is the soft consonant. So hash is a subset of hal. When ash is there, now ashicha will you apply or this will apply? This you have to apply because it is apavada. Even though saha gayati, in this example, preceded by akara and followed by the hal, and it is hash, we cannot apply ashicha because this sutra says su lopaha bhavati. Condition is akoho anam samase. So therefore saha gayati only you get. Therefore this is apavada to ashicha 61114. Hali is that, so therefore it covers the hard consonants also. Soft consonants as well as hard consonants. This is number 2. These two things need to remember. Number 1, it is apavada to ashicha. Number 2, this hali covers hard consonants, kar letter also. So even when kar letter follows, sulopaha bhavati, that's why hali. Now we will see the sutra in detail. 61132. Etat tadoho sulopaha hali. Etat tadoho, oh, shashti dvivachanam. Okay. It is shashti dvivachanam. I said panchami. It is shashti dvivachanam. Sulopaha bhavati. Pratama ekavachanam. Akoho, that is shashti. Akoho is shashti dvivachanam. Then anan samase. Akoho anan samase. Na nan samase. Anan samase. So it is a nanj to nanj. Nanj, I mean, nanj samasa is a name. Nanj samasa, type of samasa. For that, nanj is anan samase hari. Just a minute. 1 minute. I'll come. Sorry. Okay. So this is sutra is under the important adhikara. Samhitayam 6172. So 6172 Samhitayam Vishaye. Samhitayam Vishaye. Anan samase akoho etat tadoho su lopaha. That is the simple sutram. Nan samasam vihaya. Nan samasam vihaya. Anyatra kakara vigitasya etat tat shabdat parasya supratyah vyanjane pare लोपः भवति व्यञ्जने पदे लोपः भवति so su pratyasya su lopaha is that su the pratyaya sulopaha is that is also a samasa only. Sulopaha in the sutra, sulopaha is su is referring to the pratyaya. Soho lopaha sulopaha. So referring to the su, it is one. It is shashti tatpurusha samasa. Then this akoho is also बहुव्रीहि समास. अकः न विद्यते क ययौ तौ अकौ ययोः तौ न विद्यते क. The ka should not be there. ययोः तौ अकौ तयोः बहुव्रीहि समास. So this anant samase, then this kakara anant samasa is one condition. Anant samasam vihaya, and also kakara vihitasya. That is that in which kakara is not there. That etat shabda, tat shabda followed by su pratyaya, and the su followed by vyanjana, that is hal, that su becomes lopaha. That su becomes lopaha. What is that? We will see now. Akaha itself is nan samasa. Okay. That's why na vidyate kaha yasmin. Yasmin kakaraha nasti. Tadrishayoho. So that is why akoho is tadrishayoho. Okay. Etad tadoho. Etad referring to, etad and tad referring to the shabda. So lopaha su pratyase lopaha bhavati. Anant samase na nan samasa nasti iti chet. These are the conditions. Etad tad followed by the etad tad followed by su followed by hal, the su lopaha bhavati. That is the main sutra. That is the content. But conditions are there, that in which it is not a nan samasa and kakara is not there. The two clauses there. Ataha asya sutrasya artaha bhavati. Yasmin etad tad shabdasya su pratyanta rupe kakaraha nasti. Tadrishasya rupasya su pratyasya nan samasa vihaya anyatra hal varne pare lopaha bhavati. So, example you can see etad plus su plus Vishnu. Su is a pratyaya, 1. So etad plus su, the content is sakara, who goes away by upadeshe ajaranasika it. Then this the etad gets this tyadina mamahato gune, that will leave it, because that we will see in the etad shabda pullinga declension we will see. Now that etad becomes yeshaha. That etad plus su plus Vishnu, it becomes yesa plus su plus Vishnu, the third line. And there the su is there following the yes. Even though the etad shabda has undergone change, it becomes yesa, it means it continues to be etad only. Etad referring to that only. This is etad only. So the form has changed doesn't mean it is different. It is same. So followed by the su, and the su is followed by the example vakara. So the su lopaha bhavati. Therefore, yesha Vishnuhu, the form you get. Atra etat shabdasya esa ityasmin rupe kakaraha nasti. That is why akoho is there. That etad has undergone change by the application of the other sutra. It has become esa ityasmin rupe kakaraha nasti. And also it is not nanch samasa. Not a nanch samasa. That condition must be there. That followed by su, followed by hal. Then only the su will become lopaha. So esa iti asmin kakaraha nasti. Nanch samasaha api nasti. Tata su pratyat anantaram al varnah asti. Yes, it is supratyaya followed by hal is there. Then atah samhitayam vishaye samhitayam atra supratyasya lopam krutva esha vishnuhu iti jayate. So that etad should not be a nunch and should not end with the kakara. That is what he says. That is that kakara should not be in the etad should not have undergone change having kakara. Having kakara, therefore akoho. Tataiva tat shabdasyapi imam eva prakriyam krutva saha shambhuhu becomes sa shambhuhu. So similarly for tat shabda, the form becomes sa shambhuhu. Now the question will come, how this etad and tad will get kakara? It will get by some other sutra that is given here. Though not required, anyway, we will just read that. Etad tad shabde kakara katam agacchati avyaya sarva namnam akach praktehe. Anena sutrena etad and tad is sarvanama shabda. Okay, we know etad tad is, that is what is here given here. Tyadinam aha iti. So tyadinam is it is a group gana sarvanama under sarvanama. So it gets aha adesha. That is why etad the takara is replaced by aha. Tyadinam aha. I think this in the paribhasha I explained this sutra. Takara se sthane akaraha adesha bhavati antyasya ragastane. Anyway, that is there. Fine. So sarvanama shabdebhyah swarte akach nama kaschana tadita pratyaya agacchati. So ka is belongs to tadita pratyaya. So sarvanama shabdebhyah swarte in its own artha meaning akach pratyaya comes. Asya pratyasya upasito etat shabdasya pratama ekavachanam eshakaha iti jayate. The form becomes eshakaha. Now eshaka is kakara is there. Asmin shabde kakaraha asti. Ataha asya shabdasya al varne pare supratyahasya lopaha na bhavati. So lopaha will not happen. That is why akoho, that condition, the clause is there. Apitu sasajishoruhu iti anena rutva krute ashicha iti anena tasya ukara adesha krutva adgunaha iti guna ekadesham krutva eshako rudraha iti rupam siddhyati. Therefore it will fall into the main sutra, that is ashicha. Apavada, this is apavada to ashicha. This cannot be applied because the condition is akoho is there. If it is eshakaha, that is etat shabda having kakara in its rupam, then this sutra cannot be applied. It will fall into the main basket. That is the main rule. Ashicha will apply. By ashicha, then rutva adesha will come. That is rutva adesha, and then ru is replaced by ukara. Satsajisho ruhu rutva adesha. Ashicha by ashicha utva adesha. Therefore ukara comes, then guna happens. Then we know eshako rudraha iti rupam siddhyati. So eshako rudraha is the example for this akoho. Why it doesn't happen? Then nan samasa. Yadi etat tad shabdaha nan samasasya ghatakaha asti tarhi api anena sutrena supratyah lopaha na bhavati. If it is etad and shabda, if it is nan samasa is there, then also this lopaha na bhavati. Yata na saha asaha. Asaha is nan samasa. Iti asmat parasya supratyasya api lopaha na bhavati. In atad shabda, atad is a shabda. Atad buddhinam. In Adhyasa Bhashya, Vashakara says atad buddhi, natad buddhi, atad buddhi, nan samasa, atad buddhinam. Tad buddhi, tasmin tad buddhihi, tasmin atad buddhihi. So atad, the word is nan samasa, atad buddhihi. So na saha asaha, na tad atad. So atad plus su plus shivaha. So here what happens? Tad shabda is there, but it is a nan shabda. Therefore here also the visargasya lopaha na bhavati. If it doesn't become lopaha, then what will happen? Atad plus su plus shivaha. So supratyaya followed by shar letter. Therefore, it will get optionally visarjaniyasya saha. Visarga, this su is padanta. Therefore, it is replaced by visarga. Visarga followed by shakara. That is a shar letter. Therefore, optionally it is replaced by sakara. So visarga will remain or replaced by sakara. So you will have the forms. So visarjaniyasya saha iti satve stohostunastugu iti shutve krite asas shivaha iti siddhyati, or asaha shivaha or asas shivaha iti rupam siddhyati. The forms you get. Okay. Now, why hal? Hal includes ash as well as kar. यदि अग्रे अल वर्णः नास्ति चेदपि अयं सुलोपः न जायते. It's very important condition. Only hal, ali pare only, not achi pare, not even at the end of the padam avasana. Only when followed by hal. Avasana visarga will be there. If yeshaha is at the end of the padam or followed by nothing, yeshaha will remain as yeshaha. So only when followed by hal. So agre alvarnah nasti chet api ayam sulopah na jagate. When followed, when not followed by hal, then also sulopah na bhavati. Yatha tad plus su plus ishvaraha. Here what happens? Tad plus su plus ishvaraha. Su is replaced by ru, sasajisho ru, rutva krite. Then su is replaced by you. Then tad becomes saha. Then saha, tad plus su is saha. Saha ishvaraha. Now we can apply saha is there. So visarga preceded by a followed by ash letter. Therefore, sa ishvaraha bo bhago ago apurvasya yoshi. By that in the place of ru yakara adesha comes. Yakarasya lopah bhavati lopah shakliyasya iti sutrena. So therefore, sa ishvaraha or sa ishvaraha iti dve rupe siddhyataha. The form again. Okay. So, so therefore, when followed by hal, etad and tat shabda, which is followed by su. When followed by hal, that's when su is followed by hal, and the su follows etad and tat shabda. Pratama vibhakti ekavacham. The su referring to pratama vibhakti ekavacham, tasya lopaha bhavati. Condition is that etad shabda must not have the kakara in its rupam. That is possible by the pratyas, akash pratyas are there in the tadita section, and it should not be a nanch samasa, negative. Other samasa is possible, only nanch samasa. Akoho anant samase. Okay, so this is the sutra. Okay, done. Understand this?
Yes, dear.
Okay, Kashika is given some examples. Yeshaha dadati, dadati, saha dadati. I think that is already we have seen a lot of examples, so not required. Then we will move on to the next sutra. 61132. Then bo baho ago apurvasya yoshi 8317. We know bo bago ago. All these are sambodhana, addressing. Bo bago ago is address. Apurvasya yoshi. That is the main thing. Apurvasya yoshi. Apurvasya means akaraha purvaha. Yasya. Apurvaha. Then followed by yakara. Then followed by ash letter. Ashipare. So ashipare. Therefore yakarasya kim bhavati? Lopaha bhavati. So yakarasya lopaha bhavati. Bo baho. Sorry. Yakara is the adesha, not lopaha. Yakara is the adesha. Adesha where? In the place of ro, roho, ru. That comes as anuvrutti from the previous sutra. In the place of ru, yakara is the adesha. Then that yakara becomes lopaha by lopaha shakalyasya. In the sutra pata, you can see bo bago ago apurvasya yoshi. it gets roho as anuvritti. Roho is Shashti Vibhakti of Ru. So that is the stani. So roho stane yakaraha adesha bhavati. When does it happen? When it is preceded by akara or and followed by ash. When preceded by akara and followed by ash letter, the ru gets akara adesha. Bo bahu ago also, these words are also included. When these words also precede, then this will happen. Akara adesha will happen. That is a sutra. Now we will see 8317. Bo bago ago apurvasya. It is Shashti Vibhakti. Shashti Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Yaha is Pratama Vibhakti. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Then Ashi is Saptami Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Roho comes as Anuvritti from the previous sutra. Then it is under the Padasya Adhikara and Purvatra Siddham, and all we know. Then Samhitayam, that comes as Anuvritti from the last sutra of this second section of the 80th chapter. It goes as Anuvritti of its Adhikara. It goes as Anuvritti up to the end of of the text. So Samhitayam. Bo Bhago Ago Apurvasya. It is Bo Bhago Ago Apurvasya. It is a samasa. The words are Bo is there, Bhago is there, Ago, and A also. So it's a one word actually. Bo Bhago Ago Apurvasya is one word, samasa. Boscha, Bhagoscha, Agoscha, Ascha. Bo Bhago Ago. Then it's a Bhagavachana. Bo Bhago Ago. Okaranta Shabda. Bo Bhago Ago. Then Aha. Akaranta Shabda. Bo Bhago Ago. Then A is that. Ago plus O plus also can we can do Sandhi. But anyway, here to show it specifically, it's given. Bo Bhago Ago. So Bo Bhago Ago Aha. Aha Purvaha. Aha Purvaha Yasya Saha. Bo Bhago Ago A Purvaha Tasya. So Bahuvrigi Samasa. So Itaretra Dvanda Samasa is Bo Bhago Ago A. That is Itaretva Dvanda Samasa. Then Purvaha. They are the Purva. Yasya. Therefore, Apurvasya. Bahuvrigi Samasa. Bo Bhago Ago Aha Purvaha Yasya. Yasya Saha. Bo Bhago Ago A Purvaha Tasya. So that is, therefore it's one word. The samasa, Bahuvrigi Samasa. Itaretara Dvandva Garbha Bahuvrigi Samasa. Okay. Then what the sutra says, Bo Bhago Ago Etesham Parasya Tata Padante Vidyamanasya Avarnat. So the Padasya is that, but for that you have to bring in the Padasya. Padante Vidyamanasya Avarnat Parasya Ru Ityasya Ashvarne Pare Yakaraha Adeshaha Bhavati. So Yakara is Ekal, Ru is also Ekal. Therefore, no problem. Therefore, we can therefore Yakarasya Yakaraha Adesha Bhavati Rogostani. Condition is Bo Bhago Ago preceded by Bo Bhago Ago, or the Akara at the end of the Padam followed by Ash, then Rukara, that Ru. The Ru gets Yadesha Yakara. Sutrarthat Purvam Bindudvayam Nyaktavyam. Before this sutra, these 2 points to be understood. What are they? This Bos. Bo is Bos. All these are Abheya. बोस् बगोस् अगोस् इति एते त्रयः निपाताः सन्ति. These are the nipatas. Nipatas, they are avyaya. They are avyaya. Chadeyah asatva iti anene nirdishtaha yaga chadiganaha saha akritiganaha asti. अतः यद्यपि एतेषां शब्दानां तत्र उल्लेखः नास्ति तथापि एते शब्दाः पंडितैः चादिगणे समाविश्यन्ते. These are extra points. Swaradi nipatam avyayam. The sutra is there. So this is nipatas or avyayam. These are nipata. Nipata means the word which are not derivable by the application of these sutras. Not derivable means Panini Maharishi has used this word. He has not given the derivation of the words. Just mentioning those words in the Sutrapata itself, he says such words are there in the language. So like that, Panini Maharishi has used many words. Those words are called nipata. Okay. So nipata avyayam. Treyaha nipataha avyayam. Okay. Then chadeha asatve iti anene nirdishtaha eva chadiganaha. There is a gana. Chadigana. That is, it is beginning with the letter, with the word, the shabda cha. Cha is avyaya. Cha. It is a akriti gana. It is a akriti means it's an open gana. The gana is open. That is, it can be, I mean, it can include other words also. If akriti gana is, the gana is open. It is not a closed gana, it is a open gana. Okay. So, therefore, यद्यपि एतेषां शब्दानां तत्र उल्लेखः नास्ति. Even though these shabdas are not there in that gana, but by Pandita, by the scholars, all these words, they say they come under Chadi gana. So these words, Bos, Bagos, Agos, all these words, they are Nipataha, they are included in the Chadi gana. Okay. Then, Asha. Ashiti kashana pratyaharaha. Ashvino pratyaharaha asti. Asmin pratyahare, all these swaras and the soft consonants are included. Samavishyante. Ataha asya sutrasya artaha ayam. So the meaning of the sutra is this: what? Bos bagos agos etesham shabdanam sakarasya, all these ending with sakara. Therefore, sakarasya sa sajishoruhu iti anena rutve krute तस्मात् अनन्तरम् अश् वर्णः आगच्छति चेतस्य रु इत्यस्य यकारः आदेशः भवति. Bos agos agos ending with sakara followed by ash varna, then sakara will get, then sakara by the sakara will get anyway sajishorugu by rutva adesha, rukara it gets. Then when it is followed by the ash letter, it will get yakara adesha. So first is Rukara Adesha, then Yakara Adesha. Rukara Adesha by Sa Sajishoruhu. And when it is followed by Ash letter, it gets Yakara Adesha. Tata Eva, in the same way, Padantat Akarat. Apurvasya is there. A means it is not Taparaha Tat Karanam, therefore it can bring its Savarna. By what sutra? Anudit Savarna Sicha. Apratyaha. Can we bring the sutra or not? We can bring. Why? Because why? What's the answer? How can we bring? Only A is there, apurvasya. Akara purvasya iti na. Right? Please answer.
So it's apratyaya. So it is not a vidhi.
It is apratyaya.
Not a vidhi.
Not an adesha. It is not an adesha. Apurvasya. If it is adesha, then it cannot bring. Right? It is like one chair is there, many people are there. Then whom will you ask to sit? Therefore, one chair means only one adesha. Therefore, the number of savarna. The savarnas are, they are restricted only to the stani and the purva and para, the condition, not to the adesha. Adesha can be only one always. That is what the sutra anudit, that the purvas, what's that? Just a sec.
Anudit
Savarnasya
Pratyaya.
Apratyaha, that sutra will apply. That apply, that says that adesha can be only one. You cannot bring savarna for adesha. Here it is not adesha, therefore, when you say a, means you can bring. You can bring it savarna. Therefore, padantat akarat, padantat akarat also. So, parasya ru itiyasya ashvarne pare ekaraha adeshaha bhavati. Then the examples. Bose devaha iti sthite. Sakara replaced by ru, sasajishoruhu. Then followed by ashlata, therefore ekara adesha. And ekara adesha also goes away. How does it goes away? Bo devaha. Oto gargasya. Oto gargasya, it is 8320. After lopaha shakalyasya, Oto gargasya sutra is there. So, by Oto gargasya, Gargya is the rishi. So, that rishi, matena, Gargya acharyasya matena, ashiparataha, ekarasya, lopaha bhavati. Therefore, bo devaha, we get the yakara becomes lopaha. Specifically, it is given. Lopaha shakalyasya is also is there. 8319. And Oto gargasya also it is there. So specifically it is there, therefore Oto gargasya is applied. Lopaha shakalya is 8319. Then Oto gargasya it is 8320. So 8320 says Okarat. Oto is Otaha. Otaha, it is Okarat. Okarat uttarasya. Okarat uttarasya ekarasya gargya matena ashi partaha kim bhavati lopaha bhavati gargya matena. Therefore it is nityam. Always it is happens. It is nitya. It is nitya. Nitya artaha. It is nitya. Therefore it is not option here. It is nitya. So here Gargya. Generally, when the Panini Maharishi mentions a name, it is optional. But here, it is nitya. You have to note here it is nitya. Always it is goes away. Therefore, only bo shivaha. The form will be bo shivaha or bo vishnuhu. Bo devaha. Oto gargyasya matena yakaraha lopaha nityam bhavati. You have to add nityam bhavati. Okay. Then the next one is example. Bhagos manushyaha. Bhagos manushyaha. Here also it is otaha, ending with okara. So bhagos manushyaha. Bhagos is nipata, avyayam. Therefore it's a padanta sakara. Padanta sakara becomes ru. Because sasajisho rugo, it's for padanta sakara, not for any sakara. Padanta sakara. Therefore replaced by ru. Then bo bhago apurvasi yoshi, by that yakara adesha. And the yakara lopaha, yakarasya lopaha bhavati, oto gargasya iti sutrena nityam lopaha bhavati. Therefore, bhago manushyaha. Similarly, agho rakshasaha, the same. And the next example, apurvasya yoshi. Deva plus jas. Deva plus jas. Jas is 1-3. Pratama vibhakti bhagavachana supratyaya. Deva plus just become devas. That is by the Subanta Sutra, Pratama Yogo Purva Saranaha, that we will see later. So in the form Deva plus just you get devas, devas gachanti. Now devas sakara is padanta sakara replaced by ru, by satajichoruhu. Then ru is preceded by akara followed by Gakara, which is Ash letter. Therefore, Yakara Adesha. And that Yakara Adesha, Lopa Bhavati, Shakalyasya, Matena, optionally. Lopa Shakalyasya. Now, this Otho Gargyasya also we will read that. Otherwise, we will never read this sutra because it's not important. We will never read this. Otaha Gargyasya. Kimbhavati Okarat Parasya Padan Okarat Parasya Padante Vidyamanasya Yakarasya Ashvarne Pare Lopaha Bhavati. So Overnath Parasya. After the Overna, that Padan, the Yakara is there at the end of the Padam, then followed by Ash, become Nityam Lopaha. That is a thing you have to note. Nityam Lopaha Bhavati. Bose Achyuta becomes Bho Achyuta. So this is a place where Nityam it is. Even though the Gargya for Pujartham, Swami Maharshi has mentioned the name of Gargya Rishi, Acharya, but here it is Nityam. Yakarasya Lopaha Nityam Bhavati. Asmin Sutre Nyatavyam. I am reading Nyatavyam. Asmin Sutre Vyoho Ityatah Kevalam Yakarasya Anuvrittihi Svikriyate. Yataha Overnath Parasya Vakarasya Udaharanani na drishyante. So this Yakara, okay, this Yakara from where it comes as Anuvritti, Yakara we are talking about. Yakara comes as Anuvritti. One is the Yakara Yoho Ashi 8317, there it is not Anuvritti. Yakara comes Anuvritti from 8318. Yoho Lahu Prayatna Taraha Shakata Yanasya, that sutra is there. From that only Yoho comes as Anuvritti. Vakara Yakara. So you will see and maybe in other places, Tinganta and all, Lopaha Shakalyasya you will apply, and you see Vakara Yakara goes away. So Vakara Yakara comes as Anuvritti from this sutra 8318. So that goes as Anuvritti up to 21. So therefore, Gargya, this Otho Gargyasya, that for that sutra, this Anuvritti is there. But Vakara example is not there. There is no Padanta Vakara. So therefore, examples are not there for that. Only Yakara examples are there. Asmin Sutre Gargasya iti Gargya Graganam Kevalam Pujartham. Adaram Prakatitum Kritam Asti. To show respect, this word Gargasya, the word is used. Ayam Lopaha Nityam Bhavati. Kevalam Gargasya Matena Bhavati iti na. That is important. This Lopaha happens always. Not only Gargasya Matena. Generally, when you take the name of the Rishi, that is Pani Maharishi, when he takes the name of the Rishi, it is optional. But here it is not, it is Nityam. Anena Sutrena Nirdishtaha Yakara Lopaha Lagu Ucharnasya Yakarasya Na Bhavati Ataha Vyoho Lagu Prayatnataraha Shakatayanasya iti anena Lagu Ucharanaha Yakaraha Kriyate Chet Asya Sutrasya Prasaktihi Nasti. So, by this sutra, Yakara Lopaha, not for the Lagu Ucharana. Lagu Ucharana. What is Lagu? Lagu is Rasvam Lagu. Right? And Dirgha is Lagu.
Guru.
Sorry, Guru, not Guru. Dirgha. Guru. Dirgamcha and that is Guru is there. Sanyoge Guru is there, right? Sanyoge Guru, Dirgamcha. So Lagu is Rasvam Lagu, Sanya Sutra. What is Guru? Sanyoge Guru and Dirgamcha. Okay, here Lagu is the Sanya. The Sanya is used here. We know what Lagu is. So Bose Achyuta iti sthite. Sakara is at the end of the Padam, therefore replaced by Ru. Then by this sutra, Bho Apurva Sayoshi Yakara Adesha comes. Then Boy Achyuta Vyoho Lagu Prayatrataraha Shakatayanasya iti Lagu Ucharanaha Yakaraha. What is Lagu Ucharanaha Yakaraha? That we have to see. We will see that sutra. Lagu प्रयत्नतरः we are seeing Bobaho Apurvasya. From that sutra we shifted to Oto Gargasya. From here we are shifting to, it's like a noodles. Taking one, we'll go on and on. Anyway, we will go back to Bobaho Apurvasya after this. So, Vyoho Shashti Vivakti Lagu Prayatnataraha Pratama Vivakti Ekavachanam Shakataganasya, that is the Acharya, name of the Acharya. So, what is it said? Shakataganasya Matena. Here, Shakatagana, the name of the Acharya is taken. Therefore, this is Vikalpa. This is option. Padanta Yakara Vakara Yogosthane. Yakara Vyoho is Vakara and Yakara. At the end of the Padam. Padasya comes as Anuvritti from 8116. That we need to remember. So, Padanta Yakara Vakara Yogosthane. Ashipare. Lagu Uccharanau. Vakara Yakaro. Bhavataha. Okay. Bhavataha Lahu Uccharanau Bhavataha Karakaro Bhavataha. According to this Shakatayana Mata, says Padanta Vakara Yakara Sthane Ashipare. It becomes Lagu Uccharanam. Becomes Lagu Uccharanam. Therefore, it is not, doesn't become Lopaha. Sarvapratamam Lagu Uccharanam Ityukte Kimiti Tat Pashyamaha. First, we have to see what is Lagu Uccharanam. Yasya Varnasya Spashta Rupena Uccharanam Na Bhavati. Tata cha Yasya Varnasya Ucharane Stanasya Talu Kanta Murda Danta Oshta Etesham. Tata Karanasya Jikhva Moolam Jikhva Madhyam Jikhva Graha Etesham cha Shaitilyam Manda Prayatnaha Jayate. Tadrisha Varnaha Lagu Ucharana Varnaha Namna Nyayate. So Lagu Prayatnatvam Sthana Karana Shaitilyam. That is called Lagu Ucharanam. That is, this Varna which is not pronounced clearly, which is Spashta Rupena Ucharanam Na Bhavati, then it is not able to, when Spashta Rupena, when clearly not able to pronounce that Varna, Yasya Varnasya Ucharane, Sthanasya Tata Karanasya, Shaitilyam, Manda Prayatnaha. The Prayatna is Mandaha. Sthana Prayatnam and the Karana Prayatnam. Karana is a Karanasya Jikhva Moolam, Jikhva Madhyam, Jikhva Graha Etesham. Mandaha Jayate, Tadrishasya Varnasya Lagu Charana Varnaha iti Namna Nyayate. That is known by the name Lagu Ucharana Varnaha iti. So, Yadi Padantat Vakarat Yakarat Paraha Ashvarnaha Agachati, then Targi Vikalpena Tasya Vakarasya Lagu Ucharanaha Vakaraha Yakaraha cha Lagu Ucharanaha Yakaraha Bhavati. So, Vakarasya Lagu Ucharanaha Vakaraha Yakarasya cha Lagu Ucharanaha Yakaraha Bhavati. So, instead of becoming Lopaha by Shakalya Matena, here Shakataganasi Matena, that will be replaced by Lagu Ucharana Yakara Vakara. Yakara in the place of the Yakara. Lagu Ucharana Yakara in the place of Yakara. Lagu Ucharana Vakara in the place of Vakara. So Lagu Ucharanam is that which doesn't have the Prayatna is not, it's Manda. It is Manda means, Manda is what? Manda is, it is not clear, it is not Drida, it is Manda. Manda Prayatnaha, low effort, Jayate. It's called Lagu Prayatna. Lagu Prayatna, Prayatna Taraha. In pronouncing that, where the Prayatna is Manda, is dull. Where Prayatna is dull, that is called Lagu Prayatna. So that is what here Lagu Prayatna Yakara Vakara is the Adesha. Okay. Example, Bos Devaha iti sthite. So what happens? They are applying the same. Sasajishorugu, Bhagavaga Purvasiyoshi, then Boy Devaha comes iti anena यकारस्य अश्वर्णे परे लघु प्रयत्नतरः यकारः भवति. So this is option. Therefore, yakara can become lopa by lopaka shakalyasya. And by shakatayana mate, that yakara gets lagu ucharanam. It's replaced by lagu ucharana yakara. Therefore, boy devaha also it is possible. So two forms are that lopaka shakalyasya matena yakarasya lopaka bhavati and yakara lopaka optionally bhavati. Optional. Therefore, two forms will be there. But with respect to this Acharya, Shakatayana Acharya, the Ekara can be replaced by Lagu Ucharana Ekara, therefore you have another form. So, Shakalyasya Matena, two forms. Shakatayanasya Matena, also two forms. Therefore, 2 plus 2 is equal to 3 forms only, total 3 forms, because one form is common in both of them. That is what? That is Ekara can become, that lopaha is optional, that is common in both of them. So therefore, total 3 forms are possible for this sandhi. Boy devaha can be bo devaha, and boy devaha can be as it is. Number 3 is that boy devaha yakara can be replaced by lagu prayatna yakara, boy devaha. Therefore 3 forms. That also finally, the rupam wise is only 2 forms. So lagu prayatna varnasya abhavetu, if it is not lagu prayatna varnasya abhave, if it is not, then oto gargasya iti anena yakara lopaha krutva bo devaha iti api siddhyati. Therefore it's an option. Yakara lopaha happen by oto gargasya. This is very specifically for therefore gargasya, oto gargasya, that sutra you have to apply. Not lopaha shakalyasya, oto gargasya. Oto gargasya yakara lope. If yakara lopa happens, then by oto gargasya, then bo devaha is a form you get oto gargasya. So this is connected to oto gargasya. Now you have to remember oto gargasya. What is this? All these sutras are not important. Anyway, just covering for the sake of covering. So here, oto gargasya, that is why it's given. Anena sutra nidishtaha yakara lopaha lagu prayatna yakarasya nabhavati. This sutra cannot be applied for the lagu ucharana yakara. So if it is lagu ucharana yakara, then bo yachuta the form you get. These are the points we are reading under the sutra oto gargasya, to be noted points. Okay. Oto gargasya matena bo plus achyuta, bos plus achyuta become bo achyuta. Bos plus achyuta becomes bo achyuta. If it is replaced by lagu prayatna yakara, then you cannot apply oto gargasya. That is why nyatavyam to be noted here. Understand? Then the next point, last point. Yadi yakaraha padante nasti tarhi asya sutrasya prasaktihi nasti. If it is not padante yakara or vakara, then sutra will not apply. Yata toyam yakara cannot become lopa because it is not padanta. Yata toyam asmin shabde okarat paraha padante yakaraha asti. Tasmat paraha ashvarnaha asti. Tatapi atra yakara lopaha na bhavati. Therefore, padanta condition is very important. Here the toyam preceded by okara, oto gargasya, and followed by ashi letter is there. So yakara will become lopaha. No. Then you will not get toyam. Toyam means water, udakam. Then you will not have the word toyam. So that is not applicable. This yakara lopaha is not applicable because it's not padanta yakara. Now oto gargasya. So we have seen yoho lagu prayatnatanaha shakatayanasya oto gargasya. Then coming back to bo bago ago apurvasya yoshi. So here only we saw this oto gargasya. From this only we took a diversion. Ago rakshasaha. So Agorakshasaha, that yakarasya lopaha nityam bhavati oto gargasya matena. If it is replaced by lagu ucharana yakara, then you cannot apply oto gargasya. You have to, it will become, if it is, then you have to apply shakatayasya matena, that lagu ucharana. If it is replaced by lagu ucharana yakara. Anyway, then the next one, Deva plus Jas. I think this we have seen. Deva, yeah, this is what we are seeing, I think. So Deva become Devas, Deva plus just become Devas. Padanta Sakara replaced by Ru, Ru is replaced by Yakara, then Yakara is here. Lopaha Bhavati optionally. Therefore, Devai Gachanti or Deva Gachanti. Similarly, Rama plus Su. We know that. Nyatavyam. Anena Sutrena Ukta Yakara Adeshaha Ru iti as ityasya eva bhavati kevalasya repasya na. That is important to know. Examples are there. Punar plus gacchati, it will not become, repa will not be replaced by ekara. Punar plus gacchati is punar gacchati. That will remain as it is only. Anyway, punar gacchati is not an example because for that you will apply ashicha. That is, ashicha is also not applicable. That's not an example for this. Example is given. Oh, example is given. Punar plus gacchati. Okay. Anyway, punar plus gacchati cannot be applied. Even if it is applicable, what sutra you will apply? Punar plus gacchati. Repa preceded by akara, followed by gakara. Punar gacchati, I didn't see the example. Without seeing the example, I said the example, and same example is there. So this, and also this example, if you see, repa preceded by a, followed by ga, what sutra will apply? If at all, if it is applicable, ashicha only you have to apply, right? Ashicha only apply. Therefore, ashicha is ashicha when you say that is that is ukara is yadesha, not yakara. Anyway, yakara will not come. So that's why I said this example is not good. I also thought of the same example only. Anyway, fine. That is kevalasya repasya. Yakara adesha will not come here anyway, because Ru is there, that not repa is there, not Ru, repa is here. Repa preceded by akara, followed by ash letter. So what will you apply? Atoro apatayati, then ashicha. Ashicha only it will apply if it is applicable, but it is not applicable if it is applicable. So if it is applicable, then ashicha, ukara only will come in the adesha, and will come as adesha in the place of rukara, not yakara. So therefore, it is punar plus agachati, you can say. Punar plus agachati. That would be the right example. Punar plus agachati. Repa preceded by a, followed by ash letter agachati. There, repa will not be replaced by yakara. So counter example, punar plus agachati would be better. You understand what I'm saying? Yes.
Trying to follow.
Okay. Up to this, you understand that Oto Gargasya, those things.
Yeah, that we can, yeah.
Those sutras, okay. Here, what I said, see, this example I didn't see. This example only came to my mind. But this example also is not correct, I said. Why? Because punar plus gacchati is there. Repa preceded by a, followed by hash letter. Okay. So, suppose if you apply, suppose if you assume that repa is born of Ru, assume, okay. Then what sutra will apply?
Yeah, Hashicha. Yeah.
Ashicha will apply. Ashicha will apply, what adesha will come?
Ukara, yeah.
So this is not the example for yakara adesha. That's why I said this is not a good example. Understand? So here we are talking about yakara adesha. It comes in the place of only rukara, not repa, not kevalasya repa. That is the point here. So the example would have been better if you say punar plus agachati, I said. Punar plus agachati, if you take repa preceded by a, followed by ash letter a. Therefore, if you assume that repa is born of Ru, assumption only, okay, then That room will be replaced by what letter?
Ukara.
No.
Yakara.
Yakara, followed by
Yakara.
agachati, not gachati, right? I change the example. Punar plus agachati. Repa preceded by akara, followed by akara. That akara is a ash letter. Understand? And ash is here. The ago was a yoshi, that ash letter. Not clear?
Yes, yeah.
Clear.
Then yakara will come. Therefore, example could have been better if it is agachati instead of gachati and say. Okay. I hope you understand now, right?
Yeah.
So the counter example, the Vyatireka Udaharanam could have been better if it is Punar plus Agachati. Anyway, fine. You can note it. That's if you're writing, this example could have been better. So what this point says is Anena Sutrena, this Yakara Adesha will come in the place of only Rukara, not Repa, not any other Repa, only Rukara. Punar, the Repa is there, it is not born of Ru. Therefore, this will not get Yakara Adesha. That is what the point is, says. Okay. Then Upari Nirdishtabhihi Prakriyabhihi Prayaha Etat Spashtam Bhavet Yat Yadyapi Asya Sandehe Nama Visargalopaha iti Samanya Rupena Dattam Asti Tatapi Atra Visargasya Nirmanam Eva Na Bhavati. Visargasya Nirmanam tu Karavasana Yoga Visarjiniyaha Ityanena Kari Pare Avasane Pare Eva Bhavati. अत्र अग्रे अश्वर्णः अस्ति ततः रु इत्यस्य यकारादेशः भवति विसर्ग न. This is clear. We don't have to say anything anyway. Visarga will come only when it is followed by kar letter. When it is followed by ash letter, that is visarga. Karavasaneva visarga. Therefore, visarga will not come, he says. We know that. Okay, next one. Atoro raputa dapute iti anena अकारात् परस्य रु इत्यस्य अकारे परे उकारः आदेशः उच्यते. तथा च अशि च इति अनेन अकारात् परस्य रु वर्णस्य अश्वर्णे परे अपि उकारः आदेशः उच्यते. Fine, we know that by that sutra ukara is ordained in the place of ukara. Okay. एतद् सूत्रे यद्यपि सपादसप्ताध्यायां स्तः, it is in Sapada Saptadhyayi, these two sutras, tatapi bo bhago ago apurvasya yoshi ityasya apavada rupena ete dvaye sutre karyam kurtaha iti dikshitaha siddhanta kaumudyam vadati. Even though these two sutras are in Sapada Saptadhyayi, therefore this will be apavada. Why apavada? Because bo bhago ago apurvasya yoshi covers the possibilities covered by the sutra Atoro Aplutat Aplute Ashicha. If you take the room preceded by Avarna followed by Ash, that is what Bobago Ago Apurvasa Yoshi. Room preceded by Avarna. Avarna is Akara or Akara. Followed by Ash letter. Ash letter is vowels and soft consonants. Now, Atoro Aplutat Aplute, what does it say? Room preceded by Akara, short vowel, followed by short vowel. Is that not covered in Bo Bhago Ago Apurvasya Yoshi? Covered or not?
Covered.
Yeah.
Covered.
Yeah.
Similarly, room preceded by Akara, followed by soft consonant. Is it not covered in Bo Bhago Ago Apurvasya Yoshi?
Yes.
Covered. Therefore, those two sutras, even though they are in Sapada Saptadhyayi, they are apavada to this sutra. Right? It means it is with respect to the sutra, this is accessible. Therefore, apavada rupene dve sutre karyam kurtaha iti Bhattoji Dikshita Siddhanta Kaumudyam. Okay. Uttam, fine. Bo bhago ago apurvasya yoshi etat sutram etayogo dvayoho sutrayogo siddhamasti iti ashayaha. Therefore, this sutra is siddham to those two sutras which are in Sapada Saptadhyayi. Next point. Asmin sutre dikshitaha vadati asandhihi sautraha. Yes. this that's the point in the beginning. I didn't say that. I just simply say bo, bago, ago, aha. I said ago plus a in the sutra. Bo, bago, ago. Here go plus a is that sandhi can happen, and go plus a sandhi can happen, but sandhi did not happen. Here that's why he says asandhihi sautraha. Sautraha is sautram. Panini Maharishi can decide to do sandhi or not. It is sautram. So it is sautraha.
Like
Atra-
Chandasam.
Yes, Chandasam. In the Veda, if it is Chandasam. If it is here, it is Sautram. Bo, bago, ago, iti, yete, bos, agos, etesham, anukaranartam. Anukaranartam, prayuktaha iti bhavet. Parantu, sautratva, tadrisham kritam nasti. So, tadrisham, sorry, I didn't summarize. प्रयुक्ताः ओकारान्तशब्दाः सन्ति इति मत्वा समस्तपदे तेषां पदत्वं स्वीकृत्य एङ्गपदान्तादति इत्यनेन पूर्वसवर्णादेशं कृत्वा भो भगो अगो पूर्वस्य इति भवेत् परन्तु सौत्रत्वात् तादृशं कृतं नास्ति इति दीक्षितस्य अभिप्रायः वर्तते. If you do the sutra, it has to be like this: भो भगो अगो पूर्वस्य sandhi, applying sandhi. You have to apply ayadi sandhi, but it is not, because it is sautram. Ayam pakshaha vastutaha tu chintyaha. This paksha is really to be, we have to think. Bos, agos, iti etesham sakarantatvam svikritya tasya rutva ekara lopeshu kriteshu tesham asiddhatvat एङ्गपदान्तात् अति इत्यस्य नैव प्रसक्तिः भवति इत्येव साधुतरः पक्षः अस्ति. प्रौढमनोरमायां स्वयं दीक्षितेन अपि अयमेव पक्षः अङ्गीकृतः दृश्यते. So it says the word is bos, agos, bagos. So sakaranta is there. Sakaranta, if you take, then also what will happen? Bos plus bagos plus agos. Then sakara is replaced by ru. Ru followed by ash letter. What will happen to sakara? So yakara lopa will happen, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
When yakara lopa happens, then bo and bago will come, and bagos plus agos. There also bagos plus agos. What will happen to sakara? Replaced by ru. Ru is yakara. Yakara lopa happens. Can you apply after yakara lopa sandhi? Can you do? You cannot do.
No.
Therefore, this is what is been said by the Dikshita in Prouda Manorama. That is another grantha. Therefore, it is not Sautram. Here, not possible. You understand what I am saying?
Yes, yeah.
When you do sandhi of both in the samasa between the vyasta padam, samasa is a samasta padam. Within a padam, we have got many padams are there, vyasta padam. So when you do the samasa, then you have to join the words. The sandhi will happen. So bos, then bos plus bagos plus agos. Then what will happen? That bos, agos, all these are sakara, sakara. That's padanta sakara. Okay, let me explain that. 1 minute. That is bos plus bagos plus agos plus this is a samasa, having all these individual padam. Now, padanta sakara followed by bha ash letter. Therefore, here O is there. Therefore, what will happen? This padanta sakara will be replaced by ru. Then ru is replaced by oto gargyasya. By that sutra, it will be replaced by yakara. Then yakarasya lopaha bhavati. Therefore, bo bako. Similarly, here ru is replaced, the sakara is replaced by ru. Then ru is followed preceded by o, followed by a. Therefore, replaced by yakara. Yakara se lopah bhavati. So here also it is not possible. So therefore it is not possible. Sandhi itself is not possible. Tesham asiddhatvat, and this yakara lopa happens. Yakara lopa happens. Then after that, o plus a. Can we do sandhi? Not possible, because enga padanta dati, when it is applied, then it will see yakara there. Therefore, sandhi itself is not possible. That is what he says. Follow? Understand
Yes,
now?
yeah,
Yes.
clear.
So, enga padanta dati, why don't we apply? You can ask. You cannot apply because yakara is there in between. Bo, bago, then yakara. In fact, boy, bagoi, agoi, then a. Everywhere yakara is there. The enga padanta dati, when it tries to apply, it will see yakara. That's why he says, Rutva yakara lopeshu kriteshu tesham asiddhatvat enga padanta dati ityasya naiva prasaktihi asti. Cannot have prasakti. Ityeva sadutaraha pakshaha asti. Therefore, it need not be sautram. When you have got this paksha, this side, to establish the sutra, in keeping with the sutram, the Sandhi Sutra, the sutra here, not Sandhi Sutra, this sutra, Ekara Lopa Sutra. Therefore, it is not Sutram. It is fine. So, Proda Manoramayam, Swayam Dikshitena api ayam eva pakshaha angikataha drishyate. He himself accepts this paksha in the Proda Manorama. Last point. Asmin Sutre Ashi Grahanam Stanivat Bhavena Visargasya Ekaradeshaha Mabhut iti spashti kartum kriyate. So, Deva plus just here. Stanivat Adeshaha Anal Vidav iti anena Visargasya Stanivat Bhavena Ru iti prapte Bo Baho iti Ekaradesha Mabhut etat spashti kartum kar pratyaharasya viruddhaha svikrataha asti. Okay. Asmin Sutre Ashigrahanam. Ashigrahanam Stanivat Bhavena Visargasya Ekara Mabhut iti spashti kartum kriyate. Yata Deva plus just plus Santi iti atra. Then Devas becomes Devas. Then Devaru. Then Visarga Devaha plus Santi. So here followed by kar letter. Therefore, Ru is replaced by Visarga. Iti sthite. This is by the Sutra 8.3.15. By the Sutra 8.3.15. Iti sthite. Stanivat Adeshaha Anal Vidau iti anena Visargasya Stanivat Bhavena Ru iti prapte Bo Bago Ago Apurvasya iti Karadeshaha Mabhut etat spashti kartum kar pratyaharasya viruddhaha svikrataha asti. Okay. For that, we have to know what is Stanivat Adeshaha Anal Vidau. That we will see later. Then only you will understand this point. That is a Paribhasha Sutram. Stanivat Adeshaha. Stanivat Adeshaha means the Adesha which occupies a Stani will behave like the Stani. That is, enjoys the properties of the Stani, provided if it is not a Alvidi. That is what this Sutra says. So, that the Sutra we will see. Then only you will understand this. So, here it doesn't matter now. It's okay. So, not required this. Here it says that the Visarga has come. So, because Visarga has come here. Here Visarga has come. Stanivat Bhavena Ru Prapte. Here Ru. Bo Bago Ago Apurvasi iti Ekara Adeshaha Mabhut. Here Panini Maharishi, why should you give Ashi? Simply you can include kar letter also. You can include kar letter also, but it doesn't want because this Tanivat Adesha should not happen. That is why he has excluded the Kar letter and just simply said Ash letter. I just simply said Ash letter. That is what it says here. This will become clear only when we understand Stanivat Adesha Anal Vidau. That we will see. That sutra we will see later. After that, if you read this, you will understand. You can note this. After Stanivat Adesha Anal Vidau, we will see this. We have to remember to see this. Okay. Anyway, this point, if we don't understand now, it is not a problem. But we'll see this later. So why Ash letter is there? Kar pratyaharasya viruddhaha Ash svikritaha asti. Why is not said Kar here? Therefore, that's the explanation. Because Stanivat Adeshaha ma bhut iti. Okay. So this sutra we have seen. Then the next sutra, we'll see. We'll see that in the next class. That is Lopaha Shakalyasya Ali Sarvesham. We will see that in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanta Shanta Shantihi. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. All these sutras we know. Is there anything we don't know? We know it. We have seen so many times repeatedly this. Now we are seeing it elaborately. The elaboration, if you don't understand any one or two points, it's okay. You can ask me. But all these things also cannot be covered, because to know that, we should know other sutras also. Then if you come and read this, it will become clear. Maybe there is a next round and we see. In fact, we are doing so many rounds. This itself, we have without sutra we saw, then with sutra, then with this detailed analysis, discussion. Okay.
Yes, धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद जी.
धन्यवाद जी.